Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to start a Remix.run project from scratch. Remix is a full-stack React framework that makes it easy to build fast and reliable web applications. It's based on the React router library, so you can use all of your favorite React routing features. Remix has a number of unique features that make it stand out from other React frameworks. Some of these features include server-side rendering by default. Remix renders your React components on the server by default, which results in faster page loads and better SEO. Data fetching. Remix makes it easy to fetch data from your backend API and hydrate your React components with that data. Nested routing. Remix has built-in support for nested routes, which makes it easy to create complex and dynamic routing patterns. In addition to these unique features, Remix also has a number of other features that make it a great choice for building modern web applications. Now that you know what Remix is, let's dive into the tutorial and start a Remix project from scratch. Welcome to Programming Sensei. To get started with Remix, you'll need to have Node.js and NPM installed on your system. You can download Node.js from the official website, and NPM comes pre-installed with Node.js. To create a new Remix project, open a terminal window and navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. Then, run the following command: npx create remix at latest. Follow the prompt to complete the setup. Once the project is created, you can navigate to it using the following command: cd path to remix app. In my case, it's my app. To start the development server, run the following command: npm run dev. This will start the server on port 3000. You can then open a web browser and navigate to http://localhost port 3000 to view your application.